And this evening, people in Lexington gathered in Jacobson Park to remember the thousands of earthquake victims. WKYT Sam Smith shows us how people in Lexington are trying to help Nepal.
Nepalese Americans in Kentucky have seen the images of the destruction in Nepal, and they've heard about the more than 7,000 people killed. So now they're praying for Nepal.
Our thoughts and prayers are with them.
Sunday evening at Jacobson Park, the Forum of Nepalese in America gathered for a candlelight vigil.
To express our sadness, sorrow, and to support, to honor them.
Now, this event was not just about grieving. It was also an opportunity to raise money for those in need.
We are trying to support 3 villages where the earthquake epicenter was nearby.
FONA has raised more than $9,000 and are approaching their $15,000 goal to help rebuild homes and provide tents and tarps.
But it's a wonderful culture with a deep history that the world should get to love.
Adrian Thakur's husband is Nepalese. She says the turnout for this event is proof of the passion the Nepalese have for their country and their people, and they want to help however they can.
And I think what it says is that the Nepalese people are strong and unified.
In Lexington, Sam Smith, WKYT.
The group FONA plans to eventually collect supplies that can be shipped to Nepal instead of just monetary donations.